Jimmy Miller will have a pretty much difficult task this time. He's going to meet a nice fighter out of Tijuana, Baja California, Mexico, aka fighter, Gabriel Benitez. 23-10 is his record. Benitez lost to Billy Quarantillo and David Onama, but recently he destroyed Charlo Ontiveros, and he was better than Justin James. So, I'm pretty much confident that this is to be or not to be for Jim Miller. Jim Miller is better when it comes to submission game, and his reach is shorter, but I believe Jim Miller might actually finish this guy. And I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance, because I am confident that Jim Miller has what it takes to submit this guy. Jim Miller also showed great punching abilities when he knocked out Jesse Butler, and I'm gonna say the fight will not go the distance. I have two potential outcomes. Benitez KO TKO is one of them, and the second outcome is Jim Miller via submission.